Okay. Now, may na kita letterhead, may na kita return information which contains your address and your contact details, nga may da mo cellphone number and may da mo email. May da naliwat kita inside address which contains information about the receiver of the letter. Nga dapat aada iton ngaran, iton mayor, iton nga organization or iton nga company, kung baga private company ka naga-apply, dapat aada iton iyang ngaran diri, pwede nga diri ka nakilala. Okay? That is a very big, that is a huge, that is a tremendous minus point ta imo. Okay? Kay di na pala nga daan, naka-reflect na may pagkahubihin nga tao. Diba? So, dapat kilala mo. So, after that, ano nang sunod after han inside address? What comes next? What comes next? Kaya ni inside address ini. So, let me repeat, ha? Name, dinhi. Adididi nga usa, an iya, title, han, title of receiver. And then, didi sunod is, name of agency. And then, didi sunod is an address. Okay? So, amo ito niya. Delete na to. Yan na lang. Yan ko nila i-delete. After the inside address, you now have your salutation. Okay, salutation. So, ano ito na salutation? How do you say this? Masaring ka. Pwede ka sumaring, Dear Mr. Kirbilio. Okay? Pwede ito. That is very polite. That is very polite. Pwede liwat, oray dear. Masing ka lang, Mr. Kirbilio. Pwede liwat, sumaring ka, Sir Kirbilio. Pwede ito. Ano mo na lang pipilion ang pinaka-respectful. Okay? Ang pinaka-respectful. So, pwede ka sumaring, Dear Mr. Kirbilio or Sir Kirbilio. Okay? So, sugad nito. May na kita inside address, may na kita salutation. So, now, adi na kita itong aton body. So, the body consists of around 3 to 4 paragraphs na lang. Okay? Aton. So, the first part is, ano na yung magibubutang? Masaring ka. I would like to apply as an, ano pa daw? Kung taga-yums ka, masaring ka. Usually, itong available na trabaho is office assistant. As an office assistant in your school. Okay? Pwede ito. Diba? Simple. Ang halipot lang. Kung unavailable, office assistant. Okay? Pwede ka lot sumaring. Dinhi, dapat iba-iba ha. May I apply as an office assistant in your school? Okay? Pwede. Halipot lang. Diba? The next, masaring ka rin. By the way, hindi nga body, pwede mo ibahon ang format. Since guti lang iyo isusuratin din kay guti pa iyo experience, pwede mo i-1.5 itong spacing and an imo kung di masaring ka. Add space, see daw, add space after paragraph. Diyan, kikitaon mo na lang kung nain mas mo pay. Kung add space before or after. May I apply as an office assistant in your school? So what are you going to write next? In that sentence, are you going to write another sentence in paragraph 1? Diri kinahanglan. Okay, waray na. Usala ito niya nga sentence. Ha? And dapat iba-iba itong iyo din hiha diri pwede magkapareho. Kung may nakapareho, you're going to repeat that. Okay? Or magyaya no kahin habubo nga grade. Okay. So, the next part is the second paragraph. So, second paragraph, magpapakilala ka na. Ang imo na credentials. Papakilala mo one. So, masaring ka. Magpapakilala ka. So, ako, my name is Sinon Edsel G. Gaitos. Pwede ko i-spell out. Okay, para kilalon ako. ay sinyong ko nila. Mapakabata lang anay ha. Magpre-pretend ako nga bata ako. 19 years old and a resident of Zone 3, Malbog. Kitain niyo ha, ito na akong kama. Diba? Ang zone, ibubulag kuhan, barangay, Malbog. Katapos, after barangay, mabot ang nalot akong kama, Tolosa, municipality na liwat, and then magamit na akong kama, Leyte. Okay? So, ganiton. That is how you use the kama. Gibubulag-bulag mo ang iba-iba nga aspects or iba-iba nga properties sa imo address. Kida mo man iton kalain, di ba? May the zone, may the lot. So, iibahon mo iton. Ang lot, iibahon mo street. Ang street, iibahon mo barangay. Ang barangay, iibahon mo town or city. And then, ang town or city, iibahon mo ang province. Okay? That's how you do it. Okay, take note ba ya? Take note. So, ito ang period na. Kaya maghahalaban na ya. So, di masaya ako, I spent my elementary my elementary education at Giwan East Central School. This is where, was at Giwan. It was in Giwan. I spent my elementary education at Giwan East Central School where, wait. Last, sige daw. Ayun na lang. I-mount from pira katuig, last 3, 4, 5 graduated from St. Mary's Academy or sinong ko na lang public Giwan National High School with flying colors. So ganito. Kung naka-honor ka. Kung may da ka ibang award, ibutang liwat. So like for example, I graduated from Giwan National High School with flying colors. So maring ka as with multiple awards, with several awards, including with honors and perfect in attendance. So good. Ito attendance, by the way, diriton hiya hindi birong award yan. Okay? Because that is a very huge plus point. That is a very huge pogi point. Kay karegsid guniton, once you are already an employer, usa ito naging kikitaan, di ba? Dako ang possibility nga ikaw masulod ka. Kaya estudyante ka pala, masulod ka. Even though your school days was boring, most definitely it was boring, you were able to consistently go to school. So as a worker, mas dako itong chance nga ikaw compared to the others, mas magiging maupay ka nga empleyado. Okay? Sige. So let us stop in the